Hey, look, a bird.
I know! Let's eat it!
Huh? How do we catch it?
Leave that to me! Gum! Rocket!
Makes sense. You moron! What the hell's going on now?
Hey! You there! Stop! Please! Man overboard! Stop! Man overboard!
I can't believe I find shipwreckers at a time like this! I can't stop! You're just gonna have to jump in! I'm actually impressed you made it on board!
Are you trying to kill us? Stop the boat now. The three of us are members of Buggy the Clown's pirate crew. This boat is ours now.
Huh?
I'm sorry, we had no idea you were the famous pirate hunter Zoro. Please forgive us.